today we're making like jerk chicken, and then we have some black pepper, jerk seasoning sauce, hot and spicy. We have lemon juice, and then we have ground ginger.
And we also have all-purpose seasoning, Jamaican jerk seasoning, traditional Jamaican jerk seasoning, mild, and the last thing is seasoned salt.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, now we're going to season the jerk chicken. It's already washed with lemon and vinegar, and now we start the seasoning. It doesn't matter what you do first, but we just have to season with everything that is here. So whichever comes last, everything have to go in. This is
Pure
ground ginger. So this is 2 packs of chicken. It's like half teaspoon. The jack season has salt, so you have to be careful. This is seasoning salt. I'm just gonna put a teeny bit. That's like not even 1/4 of a teaspoon. Adobo, all-purpose seasoning. You could do half teaspoon. Doesn't have salt. This is like a Jamaican seasoning for the jack. You see there it says Jamaican jack seasoning. We do half teaspoon. Black pepper, it doesn't have a measurement. You put as much as you want. If you want it spicy, you put a lot. And I have garlic here. It's been made already. It has ginger, basil, and parsley on it. I'm saving the half for later. You will see why I saved the half for later. This is the Maggi I always tell you about, you guys about.
Usually get at African stores.
Yeah, this one, if you guys remember.
Jumbo.
I just open it, and because sometimes in the winter it gets hard, so I just crush it up in this mortar. So I'm not using all of it. I just use half of it because it has salt. This is the mild
jerk
seasoning. I'm using mild because one of these ladies don't eat it spicy. If it was, I'll just go ahead with the spicy one. So if you don't want it spicy, use the mild.
It's me.
And I use this brand because this is the brand I like. You can see lots of jack seasoning, but this is the brand I like.
Yep, it tastes.
Yeah, Workers Wood.
Yummy.
So I have put because it's like just a little bit in this one, I just want to finish it up. So let's say like 2 teaspoons of the one that is not mild, and I have to spice it up a little bit because there's no jack without spice. So I'll put 1 of the spicy one. I don't want it to be too hot.
You can see the difference of the spicy one and the mild
Yeah.
one.
The spicy one has
It's
more
more
pepper.
red.
And then
So
the
in
mild
total
one
I
has
have
salt.
3 spoons. You could add more. It's up to you how you want your seasoning. Guys, I need brownie sauce. Brownie sauce. I forgot my brownie sauce. We need the brownie sauce. I'll just add 1 more. So we have a total of 4 spoons. You always need to put lemon there when it's gonna boil. And my jack chicken, I'm gonna make it in the stove. I'm not putting it in the oven, guys. I know a lot of people do it in the oven. I don't do mine in the oven.
It just makes it softer when you do it on the stove.
Lemon is up to you, but I'll put 3 tablespoons. And I may have to put more later.
And here's the browning sauce, the taste of the islands.
Yeah, baby. So, and the brownie sauce again is up to you, but You don't want to put too much because you don't want it too brown. If it's not too dark for you, as it boils, you could add more. So as you can see, I put 2.5 teaspoons. And don't forget, it's 2 packs of chicken. That's the measurement.
Yeah.
So if you're using 1 pack, you have to go less.
Now she's
And mix it up. Make sure everything goes inside. Normally, the best way to do it, like I always tell you guys, you have to season a day before or the evening. But if you don't have time, you know what, you just season and go. Even if it's 2 hours before, it could taste more better.
I can't wait for it to be done, and then we.
You could smell the lemon for me.
Yeah. Smells really good.
Guys, I need a spoon of brownie. Here's the brownie, just open it. I need it to be a little bit dark. So now we have, no, we have to measure it.
So how much?
Yeah, just 1 spoon in it. Careful.
Ooh.
That's enough. It's okay. So just wipe the top before you cover it. This is good. So we use 4.5 on 2 packs. But like I said, the brownie is up to you.
How much brownie?
How much brownie you want. And you could always add later. So now I'm going to add some water so it could go in the stove and cook. It's not gonna see oven. It's just gonna, because you don't wanna overcook it.
Some water.
So that's 1 cup. One and a half. That should cook it. I put it on high, it's gonna boil quickly.
Now put the top cover because you don't want the sauce popping everywhere.
Like I said, everybody knows when their chicken is done because when it's done, it's gonna be soft. Let it boil a little bit and we'll come back and check on it.
Okay.
Yes, I have to check on the oxtail. Sorry, on the jack chicken. Our oxtail was my last video, so I'm still on oxtail. So you just carefully, like, try to stir it, but careful. I'm going to add liquid smoke. It's gonna taste like it was made in the, like outside grill with coal. That's how it's gonna taste. You will have that taste a little bit. I'll use 1 frying spoon of liquid smoke. Just leave it there. Try to mix it. So at this time, if you need more jack seasoning, you could add the jack seasoning and the brownie. If you need some more, you could add it. I don't need more jack seasoning or brownie, so let it boil and we'll come back to it. And you could taste at this time for salt if you have enough salt. Still boiling though. The little garlic that I left, I'll put it there. In case you need to add lemon, you could add it now, but it has enough lemon. You don't need to add lemon. I always like to leave a little bit of garlic and lemon to add last, because it brings the flavor out when you open your food. Almost done. And like I said, the browning is up to you. So if you need to add brownie again, you could add now if you didn't add before. But everything looks perfect. And don't forget to taste it. I tasted before. It's still cold, but it is still done. Okay, I'll close it up and we'll check on it later. So at this time you might be coughing. If you're not used to the spice, I had to put a little bit of pepper to make it spicy because it was like almost nothing. Not too much, just a little bit. Because one of them don't eat it too spicy. But if I'm making it for somebody else, I'll make it spicy. Only if the person tell me they don't eat it spicy. So at this time you really have to stir it. Because you see the bottom started getting darker, which is the color I need, but I don't want it to get dark. So you have to stay, you know, like when you fry in chicken, that's the way you're gonna be flipping it. But you're actually not frying it. You just want all the water to dry out. So every seasoning, every juice that we have, it's going inside. My jack chicken does not go in the oven. No need for the oven. It's all done. All the sauce stays in there. So they'll taste it and then I'll finish up my pot.
You can see it.
Delicious!
I don't want to stop eating. You're
It's
supposed to
okay, it's okay,
continue.
Grandma. We're gonna make your plate.
The
Because
perfect
we
amount of
eating
spice.
it with couscous. And next video I'll
Actually
make,
pretty hot.
I promise it's gonna be couscous. A lot of people are asking for it. I'll make couscous. That's gonna be the next cooking video.
This is good. Look.
So watch out for the couscous
Here,
video.
let me cut it for you.
It's gonna be simple and easy. Even if you try this for the first time, you will not make any mistake. Thanks for watching. From my kitchen to your table. Cook from the pot. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.
Okay, bye. Next.
Make sure you guys subscribe, like, turn on the post notifications.
And share this video to your friends.
Ciao.